What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new episode of Idiots in Cars. This is episode number 161 and I want to quickly say thank you for the support, I really appreciate it. So now with that being said, it's time for us to dive into this, shall we? Alright then, let's see which one of you said is gonna run a red light. That's one very convincing red light camera. Not a single traffic violation was made that day. Oh no, that clutch is now crying for help. This is something like power but in slow motion. I bet every mechanic knows this guy. That's probably his third clutch since yesterday. I posle kažu mala gado, samo ga deda vozio po kraju malo. And look at this dingleberry. It's safe to say that the way his car looks is perfectly matching with his driving style, as we can see. And of course it's not about how expensive it is, you can figure out a lot by just looking at the condition. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whew, I told my wife I was at work. That was close. I think 2 drops of pee came out right there. But no fear, the white man is here to show us how it's done. That was way too optimistic. Whoa! That dude decided to lick the stamp and send it. What an absolute legend. Whoa, bro, slow down, bro, slow down, bro. I'll give this guy the benefit of the doubt. Maybe he didn't see the car and couldn't slow down in time, but if that's not the case, he's just a dingleberry. Oh, look at this. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Look at that beauty. Oof. You gotta love that car. That is an RS7. It's beautiful. I'm a little bit confused. First of all, what is the shopping cart doing in the middle of the road? And second of all, why is that guy acting like he's in a Walmart parking lot? That's strange. And look at his perfection on wheels. He just left the Los Santos Customs. Whoa, looks like bro's flux capacitor is acting up a bit. But seriously, no, I'm not really sure how this happened, but I'm gonna assume that he didn't attach it properly because I think it's not really possible for a trailer to detach like that. Maybe I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. And this is what happens when the Prius finds out about the freedom. We get the Hot Wheels Prius in real life. And I approve. Whoa, what is that? Oh, it's a pole position waiting for you. Brake! Ooh, that was close. The pole position almost got him. And his name is John Cena. Ooh. That was one really big love tap. And by the looks of it, I think he's just incompetent to drive a car. Oh, how cute is this? Father and his son. Teaching him how to survive on these wild roads out there. You gotta start them young, you know. Oh, that is an unmistakable sound of a supercharged power. That sounded great. Oh no, that's an RS6. The perfect car in my opinion, but I only don't know why he stopped like that. And the minivan of Doom attacks. I think that was on purpose. He knew the dashcam guy was there and he still did it. I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. That's actually impressive. 10 out of 10 if you ask me. Here we have another guy who is utilizing the speed and power. Ooh. That guy needed a pilot's license for a moment. Dear me. Let's see here. Oh, I believe that's a pole position. And it smells like someone was using their phone instead of driving. But anyways, on to the next one. Hey yo, bro, what was that? Yeah, it's his fault. You ran a stop sign and somehow he's at fault. That's interesting. I think he now finally figured out what he did. This is a definition of nah, bro, don't worry about it, we can make it in one trip. And also I would add some more stuff in there because it'll fit for sure. And here on the right we have a fake Mustang, and booyah! Although he tried to act like a real one, still, it's not a real Mustang.
Yeah, I'm watching her.
Okay, guys.
I only hope this person doesn't drive around like this. I mean, the cooling is improved, but at what cost? The visibility is 0. Let's see here. Oh, come on, bro, move. Give him some space, don't be like that. Actually, are they all running the red light? What is going on here? It's impossible for all of them to have a green light. That's a bit confusing. Whoa, bro, careful, man. Oops. Well, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. He's been warned and he still decided to carry on with his shenanigans. Whoa! Oof. Dearie me. All of this because of that one dingleberry in a pickup truck. If you missed your exit, you missed it. It's not a big deal. Take another one. What is going on here? What happened? Did the trailer decide to run away again? It looked like something snapped in there. I don't know what it was. And here we have a human whose intelligence is probably as high as the temps outside. And I mean it in Celsius. This is ridiculous. On to the next one we go. Let's see what is going on here. Oh, that was aggressive. And whack! Whatever was going on between those two, that was a bit too much. Oops. My educated guess here would be he or she was looking in the mirror and not in front, so this happened. Oh, someone is taking a little detour. Don't do it, bro. Come back. Come back. Oh, it's like a pinball game. He's all over the place. At least nobody was on the other side, which is good. This road is really, really frozen. No, bro. That's not a good idea. No. In this type of conditions, you're more skiing than driving. Watch out, watch out. This is why it's always a good idea to check your surroundings, no matter what a light says. Because you never know, of course. And here comes the Dodge Challenger. He quickly turned into a Dodge Challenged. He's still at fault, but to his defense, that truck was blocking the view. And meanwhile in Clown Town, this guy locked up his brakes.
Got it on video.
Because he didn't pay attention. Oh, that was very intelligent. First you have to pick up some speed and then you can merge.
And look at the other side when you're making a right turn, it's pointing to the left. Rather interesting, isn't it?
Well, we all know this is a British flag, but still, he's got a point. What is that beeping? Whoa! An incoming pickup truck warning was working perfectly.
Was literally unknown. He was very
It's a bit bad out there. We have to be careful. Some people really shouldn't be driving. There was not a single reason for him to do that. And by he, I mean, of course, the guy all the way to the right. The one who tried to merge. Whoa, what is this? A sidewalk battles. He got a pole position, by the way. Or a sign position. Bro decided to use all of the horses he paid for, but will they be enough? Very close. He almost became a metal pancake. He really had to squeeze out all of that power. That Bronco is like, excuse me, coming through. I'm just gonna do a little cheeky U-turn. Oh, that's not gone well. Let's see what is going on here. Oh, I already see it. No, caddy, no. Both of them were trying to do the same thing, but the caddy pushed it a little bit too far. That's something we can all agree on. Oh, bro, that is a Volvo. And Volvo is basically a tank, so that was not a good idea. Oh boy, would you look at that pickup truck? Which definitely is not gonna do something stupid. I think you can already see who's the main character here. Whoa, take it easy, Bob the Builder. Be careful next time. Moving on to the next one. Right. Great job. Nice. And also I have a little fun fact for this driver here. If you look, you will see. And same goes for this one here as well. You can literally drive that car blindfolded, it's so small, and yet somehow this guy managed to do that. When I see you again. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed today, and if you did, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, just don't slide down like this guy, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Ciao, ciao.